What does a 15% per annum return historically look like if it's got low drawdowns? This is what it looks like when it's exchange traded funds. 15% per annum actually doubles your money in 5 years. There's no guarantee this would repeat itself into the future, just so you know. But here's two things you've got to look at, which are incredibly important. The underwater period, don't worry, I'll show you it again in a second. The underwater period and the recovery time and the drawdown. Why? What are those? Let's have a look at those. Underwater means how long before you came back to the level you were at. What were the worst periods? Recovery time is what was the time when each month on month, you were actually making money again. Okay, from the initial drawdown. And the drawdown is what was the peak to trough biggest amount you felt. That's what the numbers should look like. If you haven't got an idea of that, you are prone in your portfolio, even if you get good companies, to panic or get bored. The two things that will kill you from making money and getting rich. People think what stops you from making money is that you don't know what to invest in. Even if you knew what to invest in and it was in the front page of a newspaper or on my approved list, you could still mess it up if you panic and get bored. So avoid that. Have a look at the links in the bio. If you'd like a free educational review of your pension, links are in the bio. Free course, links are in the bio. Free copy of one of my 18 books. Yeah, you guessed it. Thanks a lot. Bye.